Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I want to help and guide you on how to turn off sensitive content on Twitter or X in easy way. So make sure to watch this video until the very end so we can't miss any steps on this process. Now let's jump into the video. The first thing we need to do is close your downloaded Twitter app or X and open your browser, Safari or Chrome in your mobile device. And the next thing to do is tap on the URL address bar or the search bar at the bottom or the top, and then just type in twitter.com. Once you're on the twitter.com, all you need to do is go sign in to your account. After you sign in, what you need to do is tap on to your profile icon like this and then go to the bottom to where it says Settings and Support. Click that to expand the section and then click on Settings in Privacy like that, and then what you need to do is go and click on Privacy and Safety in this list. And in this page, here you need to go under your X activity and then tap Content You See. And as you can see at the top here, we've got the option Media that may contain sensitive, so what we need to do is go and enable this. And that then goes and allows sensitive content to be shown on Twitter. And that's it. So before we end this video, please hit like, share, and subscribe if you are new here.